Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. My name is Sunil Mirwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as locus. Let's see this. They give you that A is a point on x-axis, B is a point on y-axis, and they give you that length AB is 5. They said find the equation of P. Find equation of P such that P divides AB externally in 2:3. Right? Now let's see how do we do this sum. They give you that A is a point on x-axis. Now if A is a point on x-axis, that means its y-coordinate will be 0. So you will say let A be equal to A comma 0. B is a point on y-axis. If B is a point on y-axis, any point on y-axis its x-coordinate will be 0. So you will say let B be equal to 0 comma B. Right? Now they give you that length AB is equal to 5. I can find out length AB by using distance formula. I can say by distance formula length AB is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So AB is 5 is square root of x2. We will assume this to be x1 y1 and we will assume this to be x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 the whole square, 0 minus a the whole square plus b minus 0 the whole square. So I get 5 is square root of a square plus b square. Right? Squaring both the sides, I'll get a square plus b square is equal to 25. Okay. Now, they will let p x comma y. Let's assume that the coordinates of p are x comma y. They have given you that the ratio in which P divides AB is 2:3. It divides externally, therefore I can use the external section formula. If I use external section formula, I can say x is equal to mx2 minus mx1 upon m minus n. So x is equal to ms2, x2 is 0 minus n, x1 is a upon m minus n, 2 minus 3. So you will get x is equal to minus 3a upon minus 1, minus gets cancelled. So you will get x upon 3 is equal to a. Right? Similarly, I can use the formula for y coordinate also. I can say y is equal to my2 minus ny1 upon m minus n. So you can say y is equal to m2 y2 b minus n y1 upon m minus n. So y is equal to 2b upon minus 1. Therefore minus y upon 2 is equal to b. Once I have the value of a and b, I can substitute a and b in equation 1. I can say substitute a and b in equation 1. If I substitute a and b in equation 1, I can say that a, instead of a I can write x upon 3 the whole square plus instead of b I can write minus y upon 2 the whole square is 25. Therefore you can say that x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 is 25. You can say that 4x square plus 9y square upon 36 is 25. So 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 900. That will be the equation. Why do we get the same there? Next, let's see another sum, guys. A is minus 4,3 and B lies on the locus. B lies on the locus x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. P bisects AB. Find equation of P. Right? You will say that let A x1 y1 be equal to A minus 4,3, B x2 y2 be equal to B A comma B. Right? Now since point B lies on the locus, any point that lies on the locus should satisfy the equation of locus. Since B lies on the locus, therefore B should satisfy the equation of locus, meaning I can substitute the value of A and B in the equation of locus. If I do that, I will get, see, instead of writing x and y in the equation of locus, I can write A and B. So in which case I will get A square plus B square minus 2A plus 4B plus 1 is 0. Let's call this as equation 1. Right? Let P x3 y3 be equal to P x comma y. Now since P bisects AB, therefore I can say that P is midpoint of AB. If P is the midpoint of AB, I can use midpoint formula. I can say by midpoint formula x is equal to x2 plus or x1 plus x2 upon 2 x3. Now the value of x3 we know is nothing but x. So I can say x is equal to x1 plus x2. That's minus 4 plus a upon 2. Right? So I can therefore say that 2x plus 4 is equal to a. I am shifting the 2 on the other side and minus 4 goes on the other side, becomes plus. Similarly, I can say y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So you can say this is y3. y3 is y is equal to y1. y1 is 3 plus b upon 2. So you can say 2y minus 3 is equal to b. Now substitute a and b in equation 1. Substitute A and B in equation 1. If I substitute A and B in equation 1, I will get 2x plus 4. Instead of A, I am writing 2x plus 4 the whole square, plus instead of B, I am writing 2y minus 3 the whole square, minus 2 into 2x plus 4 plus 4 into 2y minus 3 plus 1 is 0. That will be your equation. Let's solve the equation. This is a plus b the whole square, so this will be a square plus 4 to the 8 to the 16 plus 16 plus 4y square minus 3 to the 6 to the 12 plus 9 minus 4x plus into minus minus 8 plus 4 to the 8, 8y minus 12 plus 1 is 0. So in which case you can therefore say that 4x square plus 4y square 16x minus 4x, that's 12x minus 12y plus 8y minus 4y, right, plus 16 plus 9, 25. 25 minus 8, 17. 17 minus 12, 5 plus 1, 6 is 0. All the terms are divisible by 2, so I'll say divide by 2. If I divide by 2, I'll get 2x square plus 2y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 3 is 0. That will be the equation of locus of point P. Right? Let's see another sum, guys. A is 0, minus 2 and Q lies on the locus. Q lies on the locus. X square is equal to minus 8y. You have to find locus of point P which divides AQ internally, in 2:5. Right? Let's see this. You will say that let A x1 y1 be equal to A 0, minus 2, Q x2 y2 be equal to Q a, b. Since Q lies on the locus, the coordinates of Q should satisfy the equation of locus. So in that case, I can therefore say that A square is equal to minus 8b. Instead of x I am writing A, instead of y I am writing b. Let's call this as equation 1. Let P x3 y3 be equal to P x, y. Now, n is to n, the ratio is given to you as 2:5. Now, P divides AQ internally. Therefore, I can say by internal section formula, if I apply internal section formula, I can say that x3 is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, right? In which case I can say that x3 is x is equal to mx2, m is 2, x2 is a plus n is 5, y2 no, x1 is 0 upon m plus n. So you will get x is equal, I can say therefore 7x upon 2 is a. I can say similarly you can say that y3 is my2, my internal section formula, plus ny1 upon m plus n. So you will get y is equal to m by 2. M is given to you as 2 into y2. Y2 is given to you as b plus n. N is given to you as 5. Y1. Y1 is given to you as minus 2 upon m plus n. So you will get y is equal to 2b minus 10 upon 7. So 7y plus 10 upon 2 is equal to b. Now substitute a and b in equation 1. If I substitute a and b in equation 1, I will get equation 1 is a square is minus 8b. So instead of a, I can write 7x upon 2 the whole square is minus 8b. b can be written as 7y plus 10 upon 2. This can be written as 49x square upon 4 is minus 4. 7y plus 10, I cancel this, so you get 49x square is minus 16, 7y plus 10, 49x square is 6 7s are 42, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 minus 112y plus 160. That will be the equation of the locus. Let's move on ahead, guys. A is 2 comma minus 5. B is minus 7 comma 6 are two vertices of triangle. Find equation of third vertex C if the centroid of triangle lies on 3x minus 4y plus 11 is equal to 0. Okay, let's see this. I can say that let a x1 y1 be equal to a 2 comma minus 5, b x2 y2 be equal to b minus 7 comma 6, c x3 y3 be equal to c. Now they have said that you have to find the equation of the third vertex. So you will assume this to be x comma y, and centroid G is given to you as centroid lies on the locus a comma b. Right? These are our assumptions. Once you've done the assumption, you can say since centroid lies on the locus, therefore the coordinates of the centroid should satisfy the equation of the locus. That means instead of x I can write a, and instead of y I can write b. Let's call this as equation 1. Now I can apply centroid formula. If I apply centroid formula, I can say x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. X is a, is 2 minus 7 plus x upon 3. So in which case let's leave that as it is. Next, similarly I can say y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So you can say y is b is y1 plus y1 minus 5 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Now substitute the value of a and b in equation 1. Substitute a and b in equation 1. If I substitute a and b in equation 1, I'll get 3a is nothing but x minus 5 upon 3. 2 minus 7 was minus 5 minus 4b. b is y plus 1 upon 3 plus 11 is 0. Right? I could take 3 as the common denominator. Open the bracket, so you will get 3x minus 15 minus 4y plus into minus minus 4 plus 33 is equal to 0. Take 3 on the other side, so you will get 3x minus 4y. This is minus 15 minus 4 minus 19. So this will be plus 14 is equal to 0. Right? So your equation of locus is going to be 3x minus 4y plus 14 is equal to 0. This finishes the sum. We will stop here for the day. Thank you very much.